Linda's lab requires constant and reliable temperature control for a wide variety of equipment and processes. Selecting new equipment for the lab isn't always a simple task, but when it comes to looking for temperature control equipment, Linda has a few tricks up her sleeve. Temperature control systems are required for a variety of applications and instruments, from evaporators to reactor systems, and find homes in a variety of labs, including research labs, clinical labs, and process labs. Circulators are available in a variety of sizes, and selecting the proper size adds to the economies of use. A circulator that is too small will not exchange heat sufficiently, while an oversized unit will be inefficient due to excessive cycling. When selecting a circulating chiller, it is important to know the desired temperature of the coolant as it enters the inlet of your equipment, as well as the heat load that needs to be removed. Consider that some heat may be gained as the coolant travels from the chiller to the instrument. Insulated lines and positioning the chiller as close to your instrument as is practical will reduce some of the heat transfer. It's also important to consider both flow and pressure of the coolant. Delivering coolant at an adequate flow rate and pressure is critical for proper heat transfer. If the flow rate is too low, there will be poor heat transfer, or if the pressure is too high, you could damage your equipment. For good temperature control, look for a system with low pressure and high flow rate. When choosing a circulating chiller, you will also need to consider the method of heat exchange. Air-cooled condensers exhaust heat into the surrounding environment, while water-cooled condensers can transfer heat into the lab's water supply. Remember to consider the ambient temperature where the chiller will be operating. If the room is above 20 degrees Celsius, or the temperature is variable, you may wish to add your calculated heat load and choose a larger circulator. Finally, consider all your requirements before making your purchase. Features such as optional heating capability, user-friendly controls and programmability, temperature tracking, multiple connectivity options, and comprehensive warranty are all important factors in determining which system is best for you and your lab. Lab Manager. When we talk science, we mean business. Brought to you by Huber.